Welcome back to our SQL course for beginners. In this video, we're going to dive into the WHERE clause in SQL. This clause is essential for filtering data in a database. Using the WHERE clause, you can specify conditions and retrieve only the rows that meet those criteria. Let's get started. Why do we need the WHERE clause? When querying a table, you often don't need all the data. For example, in a students table, you might only want to see students in a specific class, those with a particular grade, or even students above a certain age. The WHERE clause allows you to filter your results to include only the rows that match specific conditions. Syntax of the WHERE clause. Here's the basic syntax of the WHERE clause in a select statement. Select column 1, column 2, from table name, WHERE condition. Select column 1, column 2, specifies the columns you want to retrieve. From table name, indicates the table you're querying. WHERE condition is the filter that determines which rows will be included in the result. Examples. Our students table looks like this. We'll use this table for all our examples. Example 1. Filter by a specific value. Suppose we want to find all students in class 9A. Here's the query. Select all columns from students where class is equal to 9A. Select asterisk retrieves all columns for the matching rows. Where class is equal to 9A filters the results to include only rows where the class column has the value 9A. Result. As you can see, only the students in class 9A are included in the result. Example 2. Filter by numeric value. Let's find all students who are older than 13. Here's the query. Select name, age from students where age greater than 13. Select name, age, retrieves only the name and age columns for the matching rows. Where age greater than 13 filters the results to include only rows where the age column is greater than 13. Result. This result shows all students who are older than 13. Example 3. Filter by multiple conditions. What if we want to find all female students in class 9A? We can use the AND operator to combine conditions. Select name, class, gender, from students, where class equals 9A, and gender equals female, where class equals 9A, and gender equals female. Filters rows that satisfy both conditions. The class column must be 9A, and the gender column must be female. This result includes only female students from class 9A. Example 4. Filter using OR. Let's find all students who are either in class 8A or have a grade of C. Here's the query. Select name, class, grade, from students, where class equals 8A, OR grade equals C, where class equals 8A, OR grade equals C, filters rows that satisfy either of the conditions. This result includes students who are in class 8A or have a grade of C. Why the WHERE clause is important. The WHERE clause is crucial for querying specific data in large tables. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SQL lessons. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.